Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you my new junk journal. Actually it's not junk journal, it's a recipe book that I made. It took me almost 2 months to make it because there was a lot of embroideries that I made. I'm going to show you, and it's blank because it's going to be for recipes after all. Let me just show you what I made. I made this beautiful avocado, as you can see. It is bookmark, and it's 3D stamp work, and those beautiful vegetables. And when you open it, you have this that I made. And as I said, it is completely blank because this after all is recipe book. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe for my channel. This is going to help me to develop my channel. So I hope you enjoy it and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.